Portfolio forecasting in PitchBook is a flexible tool for modeling commitment pacing and cash flow projections. We'll show you how to find this tool and create meaningful data visualizations. First, in the PitchBook sidebar, we'll scroll to the Funds Analysis section and select Portfolio Forecasting. We can choose from several options in this tool. To view pre-built forecasts based on different strategies, we would click the Explore Example Portfolios tile. To upload an existing list of funds, such as our current portfolio, we would click the Upload an XLS or CSV list tile. Keep in mind that any data you upload or add to this tool is saved privately in the platform. To add funds individually to a portfolio, we would click the Add Funds Manually tile. To jump past adding funds, we would click the Set Pacing tile. We'll show you how to use an example portfolio to model commitments in asset classes and get the most out of this tool. We'll select Explore Example Portfolios to get started. From this list, we'll select Ramp Up Multi-Strategy to see commitments across asset classes. This strategy includes a mix of funds tracked in the PitchBook platform and custom funds. It is pre-populated with mock data showing fund commitments for this hypothetical allocator. We could even add additional custom funds to incorporate more commitments or model how our firm could add exposure to a new asset class. Cells with a check mark have data sourced from the platform. Cells without a check mark can be tweaked based on your desired assumptions about the fund behavior. We'll look at a few of the editable columns here. However, you can visit our Help Center for the full list of definitions. The fund length and investment period are used as factors calculating cash flow projections. The expected call percentage allows the model to consider scenarios where the full commitment size may not be called in, or where call percentages may exceed 100% due to capital recycling. The expected TVPI is related to how distributions will play out related to the current TVPI. Once we've confirmed that this page contains all of the data we want, we'll click Continue with Funds. This pacing criteria page creates inputs for commitment pacing charts. We can use this page to better reflect our expectations for timing and commitment amounts. We'll click Run to see the commitment pacing and cash flow projections for our sample portfolio. We can now see analytics across multiple categories. We'll give you an overview of each chart and show you the tools available to work with this portfolio. At the top, the Historical Commitments chart displays a yearly timeline of the commitment size and past contributions for funds in this portfolio. The Yearly Commitment Schedule chart shows a timeline of expected fund commitments based on historical data from thousands of funds, along with your portfolio's target size and time frame. The Forecasted Cash Flow Profile charts use historical fund data to produce a baseline profile from historical contribution and distribution rate averages. In addition to this baseline, we can also choose a simulation for the potential variability across cash flows quarter by quarter. Below the charts, we find a table with data by quarter or year. Last, the Capital Call at Risk chart and table provide estimates for very high liquidity requirements with a capital call in the 90th percentile every quarter. To learn more about the forecasts, we can click the Methodology link in the top right. Next to the methodology, the menu allows us to duplicate our portfolio to model additional changes or to delete it. Our portfolio is automatically saved in the platform to revisit easily from the Portfolio Forecasting homepage. We can adjust its name at the top of this page. If you're looking for more complex modeling than what you can find here, reach out to our support team for an Excel template. In this video, we've demonstrated how to add funds to PitchBook's portfolio forecasting tool. This enables you to model cash flow and commitment projections. Now, you are ready to use this tool to map your current commitments or explore new investment paths.